How to fix Google Maps location sharing not updating on Android. First of all, you need to make sure that your location is turned on. So simply head back to your navigation bar and here is a location option. So tap on it and make sure that your location is turned on. After that, make sure you have a reliable and strong internet connection. So turn your Wi-Fi off, turn on your airplane mode on. Now what you need to do is wait for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, turn it off and again turn back your Wi-Fi on. Now it will refresh your Wi-Fi connection. After that, close the app. Now head to your app section and tap on I. Now tap on storage. Now clear cache and data of your Google Maps. Tap on clear data, tap on delete to confirm your decision. After that, try reopening the app. If the issue persists, what you can do is simply tap on Play Store and go to the Play Store and search for Maps and tap on Google Maps and try to update the app itself. If there is any update, here will be an update icon instead of open. If it shows open on your device, that means you already have the latest version installed. Then after that, close the application and it will solve your problem. And that's it guys, try reopening the maps. Now as you can see, the location sharing is working perfectly fine. And that's it guys, thank you for watching this video.